Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel, where we explore the art of cooking and baking from scratch. Join us as we dive into delicious recipes, helpful tips, and creative culinary techniques. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to be inspired and hungry as we embark on this flavorful journey together. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering content coming your way. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell to be informed of our upcoming foodie tutorials. You'll love them, I'm sure. Now let's get going.
Ever wondered about the secret behind a delectably juicy, succulent chicken dish that bursts with flavor, yet is simple enough to whip up in your very own kitchen? Welcome to the culinary journey of a lifetime, where we unveil the mystery behind the ultimate roast chicken recipe. Imagine a chicken so tender that it falls right off the bone, enveloped in a golden brown, crispy skin that crackles delightfully with each bite. Picture the smooth, rich, buttery texture of the meat, accentuated by a symphony of herbs and spices that dance on your palate, leaving you craving for more. First, select a fresh, whole chicken weighing about 4 to 5 pounds. Rinse it under cold water and pat it dry. This is your canvas, ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. Now, to breathe life into this blank canvas, start by seasoning it generously with salt and pepper, both inside and out. Remember, the key to a flavorful roast chicken lies in the seasoning. Don't be shy, generously coat that bird with the salt and pepper. Next, you'll need 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, or parsley. Cut the lemon in half, lightly crush the garlic cloves, and roughly chop the herbs. Stuff these into the cavity of the chicken, infusing it with a unique blend of flavors that will permeate the meat as it roasts. Now, tie the chicken's legs together with kitchen twine. This keeps the bird compact, ensuring even cooking. Place the chicken, breast side up, on a roasting rack in a roasting pan. Brush the outside with melted butter to give it that irresistible golden brown finish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide the pan into the oven and let the magic happen. After about 1.5 to 2 hours, behold the transformation. A beautifully roasted chicken, its skin glowing with a golden brown hue, the aroma wafting through your kitchen enough to make your mouth water. Let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes before carving, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is juicy and flavorful. In summary, this roast chicken recipe is not just about providing a delightful meal, it's about creating an experience, a sensory journey that starts with the aroma of roasting chicken and culminates in the rich, satisfying flavors of a perfectly cooked bird. This recipe is simple yet sophisticated and is sure to impress at any dinner table. Not only does it offer mouth-watering taste, but also a wealth of nutritional benefits. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. It also provides a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B, which boosts brain health, and selenium, which supports the immune system. So step into your kitchen and create your own culinary masterpiece with this simple yet sophisticated roast chicken recipe. Bon appetit!
Thank you for watching the Culinary Recipe channel, your place for diverse and delicious recipes. Our channel is a treasure trove of worldly culinary creations, ranging from quick and easy weeknight dinners to gourmet dishes that will impress even the most discerning foodies. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, you'll find recipes that suit your skill level and tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Hit that notification button for video updates. Thanks again. See you soon.